Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ni Aithe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in Ghana. Yeah, you should get me right, here in Ghana. Okay, and with this platform you can withdraw your money through mobile money. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how you're going to withdraw your money, and I also show you in this tutorial how to withdraw your money through mobile money. Okay, and with this platform you don't need to invest. Okay, so people nowadays want to make money online and they are not willing to invest. So if you are part of those guys, then this platform works best for you. Okay, so I will leave a link. Okay, I will leave a link in the video description. Okay, so you can also access this site. And please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button so that you will get any update that I upload. Okay, any update. So without wasting much time, okay, I'll show you how you can register for this platform. So first you will need your phone number. Okay, so this is where you will enter your phone number. Okay, just enter mobile. Yeah, that's where you enter your phone number. So your phone number, after you are done entering your phone number, you hit this get code. Okay, you will hit it. So okay, I think I have done a mistake here. Okay, so you hit your get code this side. So you will have to wait for your code to arrive here. So mine has arrived. Okay, so I'll be entering my code 6. And then you need to enter your password. Okay, after you are done entering your password, you need to click on this select this this button right here, and after that you will click on register. Okay, so register. So as you can see, I'm registered here. I'm registered. Okay, so guys, we are now on the platform and we have successfully registered. Okay, so one will be asking, how can I make money with this platform? You don't have to worry. Okay, I'll be showing you exactly what you have to do, okay, to make money. And don't worry, there's so many ways of making money on this platform, and I can't cover all in this tutorial. Okay, so I will definitely make another separate video about how to make money. Okay, you don't have to worry, I will show you how to make money. Okay, so without wasting much time, here we go. So on this platform there are so many ways. Okay, so many ways to make money, so many ways. And let me show you one way to make money. Okay, so whilst you're on this platform, you come over to this side. Okay, you click on me. click right here on the me. Yeah, click on it, me, and then when you are right here, see, you can see my phone number, that's my name, my balance is 00. You can deposit and you can also withdraw. So I'm going to show you how to make money with the first step. Okay, so you come here. Okay, daily bonus. Okay, you click on the daily bonus. Yeah, the daily bonus, this is it. Okay, so you click on it, and what does it will give you every single day that you log in. Every single day it gives you a coin, and I will show you exactly what you need to do with those coins. Okay, so when you come here, all that you have to do is just click sign in. Okay, sign in. You see, it says sign in successfully, and you have been given 300 coins has been credited to your wallet. Okay, so you don't have to worry. So now that you are done with that, I'll show you the second step. Okay, the second step, with the coins that you earn, you are going to use it to spin to make money. Okay, you don't have to worry. It's not any big amount, so but then it's okay, yeah, because you didn't invest. You can deposit and invest, but I'm showing you how to make money without investing. So what you have to do now again is to come over to this side. Okay, coin spin, click on it, it takes you here. So when you first register, it gives you 1,000 coins. Okay, 1,000 coins, no, 10,000 coins rather, sorry, 10,000 coins. Okay, and with every spin that you make, it deducts 1,000 coins from it. So with the 10,000 coins, it means you can spend 10 times. And you see all this, you see everything here, everything in this circle over there, everything over there. When you spin and you are lucky, you can win any amount in there. Yeah, you can win any amount. Okay, so you could see my coins. I have 1,000, 10,000 and some 300 coins. Yeah, that 300 is the coins that I earned when I signed in here, as I showed you earlier. Okay, and so what we have to do here is just click on spin. Yeah, so spin, and let's wait and see. Okay, I earned 50 pesos. Come on guys, one would be saying maybe this money is small. Yeah, it's small, but that's how you do it. Yeah, I'll show you how to make more money. You don't have to worry. Okay, so we have 9 draws remaining. Can continue to spin. Oh, we got try again. We can continue to spin for 8 times. Okay, it depends on you. Can choose to squander all the coins today, or you get it, you can choose to. So this is it. Okay, try again. I'll try one more time. Okay, another one more. Oh, don't have to worry guys, you will definitely make money. Okay, you will definitely make money. Okay, another last. Okay, my last remaining. Okay, my last pin. Okay, so guys, you see I got another 50 pesos. Okay, so as you can see, I cannot spin anymore. The spin has now turned gray, meaning 0 draws remaining. So what you have to do is, whenever you log on to this platform, every single day, you need to go and sign in to earn more coins. Okay, see the sign in. On the 3rd day, you get 1,000 coins. Yeah, free of charge. So as it goes, And then the 7th day, as you can see, it is written mysterious gift. You don't know what you can gain. Maybe you can gain money or any other thing. Yeah, so that's it. And as you can see right over here, as we started, I was having nothing in my account, but you can see now I have 1 cedi and 10 pesos in my account. Yeah, so that's it. We started making money. You might think that this money is small. Yeah, it's very small, but yet still you can do something with it. Yeah. So another way to make more money is to invite your friends. Okay, you need to invite your friends. So as you can see, the first thing says Lucky Cash Packet to collect open automatically. Okay, so automatically at 90%, all that you need to do is invite friends. So the more friends you invite, the lucky you get to win this. Okay, the more lucky you get to win this 270 Ghana cedis. Okay, so all I have to do is to click invite, and then you send the link to any of your friends, either on Facebook, Twitter, SMS, or on WhatsApp. Yeah, okay, so this is it. Yeah, keep trying. Yeah, keep trying. You move. Okay, so here we are. So if you want to withdraw, you just click on the withdraw button. Okay, so you have to select the channel that you want to withdraw, either MTN, Vodafone, or Airtel, Tigo. Let's say MTN, you withdraw, and the least that you can withdraw, is 5 Ghana cedis. Come on, guys, 5 Ghana cedis. So from 5 Ghana cedis going, you can withdraw your money, and it will drop into your Momo account. Okay, you don't have to worry. Okay, that's all that you have to do. Okay, and so you can also deposit to play the games on the platform. You can do that if you choose, if you want to. Okay, and you can deposit as low as 10 Ghana cedis. Okay, you can deposit 5 cedis. Yeah, the minimum amount is 5 cedis. Okay, and we have promotions. Okay, so right now they are running a promotion. Okay, a promotion they are running right now is, there are so many promotions, but one that you can join are those ones here. And you can even download the app to make money free of charge. Just download the app and stand a chance to win. Okay, guys, I will advise you to do it. Yeah, immediately that you register for this channel, for this platform, just download the app so you can stand a chance to win this money. Who knows, maybe tomorrow you might win. Yeah, okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I will show you how to make more money with this platform in another video. Okay, so without please hit the subscribe button so that you will get any update I make on this channel. Okay, any video that I upload, you will get an update on it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.